Hello guys, good morning. You're welcome to my YouTube channel, the Explicit Tutorials, and my name is Joseph. So this morning we're discussing physics topic, work, energy, and power. What is work? Work simply means the product of force and what? Distance. Work done is equals what? Force times distance. That is the meaning of work. Now definitely graphically we can express it to be, and normally this is the force that is acting towards a particular direction, and an angle here is formed. The horizontal components of a given graph is always, since we are talking of force now, it's force cos what? Theta. Now while the vertical component is called what? Force sine theta. Now therefore, work done along the vertical component is force sine theta. I can also put it as W is equals mg sine theta times s. Now this is distance, all right? This is the distance. Now this is work done along the vertical axis, but the work done along the horizontal axis or horizontal distance is usually f cos what? Theta, being the horizontal now. Therefore, work done is equals mg cos theta times what? S times S. Alright, so please take note of that. Sometimes they will not give us force directly. We have to convert from force. We have to convert from this to this. When they give us force, just impute your value, you are good to go. But sometimes we have to convert from this to this. That is, they'll give us a mass and the gravity as 10. Once you do it, you have your word force. That is for that. Now the next one is what? Energy. What is energy? Energy means the ability of doing work. It is the ability to do work. All right, it is the ability to do work. Now what is the formula? Now energy has the same formula as work done, force times distance. Now we have two types of energy: kinetic energy and what? Potential energy. Now the energy possessed by a body in motion is called what? Kinetic energy. Kinetic energy. Good. Excuse me. I think I'll remove this, please. Let me just abbreviate it. Force times what? Distance. Now, I said that energy means the ability to do work, and you now have it to be force times distance. I said we have two types of energy. We have the kinetic energy. Now, the kinetic energy is usually given as 1 over 2 mv squared. 1 over 2 mv squared. We now have the potential energy. Now the potential energy is the energy possessed by a body at rest. A body at rest, like a gallon of water or any static object, it possesses what? Potential energy. Then while objects in motion like projectile possesses what is called what? Kinetic energy. Potential energy is given as what? mgs. Where your m is a mass, g is gravity, and s is what? Time. Okay, time, which is usually measured in seconds. And lastly, you have what? Power. Okay, now power means the rate at which work is done. Therefore, you say it is the ratio of work done to time. Now power is equals what? Work done over what? Time. And of course, you know that work done is force times distance over time. All right, and you also know that force is mass times acceleration. times distance. To prevent this long sentence, let me just use m times a times s, which is the distance, over what? Time, c. So please, that is for that. Okay, please, s here is distance. Sorry, s is distance. Take note of that. Now we now have efficiency. Now you have efficiency. Nice. Efficiency of a machine. You have it as power output over power input times 100 over what? 1. So efficiency of a machine is given as what? Power output over power input times 100 over 1. But power output is usually mgs over t, right? Which means that after solving for power output, whatever you get, you put it here. That will be for what? The power output. So at this point, to call it a day. Now I've given us the necessary formula we need to solve questions on work, energy, and power. So in our subsequent class or lectures, we'll be solving questions on this topic. Please make sure you click the notification bell for the sake of getting notified when I upload new videos. Okay, do you understand? Please, thanks for watching and do have a wonderful day. Endeavor to subscribe, like, share, and comment. It is very, very important. Again, that's good. Thank God I remembered. Please, sometimes they'll ask us to convert potential energy to what? Kinetic energy. In converting from potential energy, please, if you are to convert from potential energy to kinetic energy, it is kinetic energy times 100 over potential energy. Please take note of this formula. mgs over t. Please, in converting from potential energy to kinetic energy, we need kinetic energy times 100 over potential energy. So please take note of that. Do not forget. Do have a wonderful day.